over $108 million have been spent on this facility, giving new facilities in terms of dormitories, gymnasium, dining room, recreation room, and giving the men and women who is going to occupy this building a place that they can rest comfortable, relax, and perform the task at hand in keeping their parish safe.
It is timely for this fire station, and that we're looking especially at the beginning of the hurricane season, and that we depend heavily on the fire service, especially in our EOC each year, and they would deliver an excellent job. We are expecting them no less, and I know that with this home that is here, they will be able to deliver even better quality service to us and to the public.
The rehabilitation of this fire station underscores the ongoing commitment to infrastructural development within the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and will no doubt serve to boost the morale of the men and women that operate from this station, as the newly renovated facility is equipped with various amenities. This augurs well for improving service delivery and the safety of the residents of Annotto Bay and other communities that are served by this station.
I want Jamaicans to have a greater appreciation and respect for the men and women of the Jamaica Fire Brigade. And it's not something that they are asking for. It is something that they deserve, because they play a critical role in nation building, and it is something that we must wake up and accept as a country.